no, the same.
We keep it the same. And I would probably right now, okay, we obviously use this. You can cross the rest of the stuff off. You're not going to do anything with it. Okay, some of you guys, you keep trying to use that stuff and we don't do anything with that stuff. We are only interested in that slope. Okay, so we're only interested in that slope. So when we look at 22, I have this point and this slope. And we know that we keep the slope the same. Okay, and this is the form that we needed in y equals mx plus b. Okay, and so given this, the first formula that we need to use is point slope. Okay, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, so it's going to be y minus -4 2/3 x minus -5. Okay, what's a minus minus? Plus. Plus. Do we stop or do we keep going?
Keep going. You gotta find the slope.
We gotta keep going, okay? We need the y by itself.
I find the slope.
I know what you meant.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna have to distribute. Okay, so I got y plus 4 equals 2/3 x.
3/1/3.
That ain't right.
Well, how you say it?
So on here, like if yours pops up like that, you're gonna hit shift. See how it says like DC in the yellow?
Yeah.
That turns it into that improper fraction that you want it to look like. Not all of them are set up like that, but so it's gonna be 10/3. Okay, and then we gotta say, well, -4. So I got y equals 2/3 x. Is minus 2/3. My bad, y'all can't hardly see. Okay, 23. Is that positive, negative, or none? Trenton's really good at these. Yeah, it's positive.
Oh yeah. If it's like it goes, if it's like all straight up, it's positive. If it's not, wait, if it's like all over the place, it's not.
Yeah. So what is 24 gonna be?
None.
Yeah, it's gonna be a none. Okay, look at 25. Okay, 25, we have this equation. Ax minus h plus k. What does our k do?
So you really cut. Well,
Yeah, you weren't here yesterday. What's our k do? It's on the outside, it does up, down. Okay, so if it's a plus, it goes up. If it's a minus, it's gonna go down. Hola!
Hi! I have a card.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, what about our H? What's our H do? If this does up and down, what does the inside do?
Left to right.
Left to right. Okay, does our left and right. And since you guys couldn't remember, you probably need to have these notes on here. Okay? And then on the inside also, we have to do the opposite. Just on the inside, not anywhere else. Okay, and then the A is our slope. Okay, so it's usually 1/1, And if it's a negative, what does that negative do to our graph?
Makes it positive.
No.
Wait, no.
So normally our graphs open up like this.
But, so it's gonna go like
Okay? Yeah, it's going to be pointed down. Okay, sorry, I was trying to but y'all can't see. Okay, it's going to be pointed down. Oh yeah, that's good. Thanks, bud. Okay, it's going to be pointed down. So if it's a negative, it should be pointed down. So if we look at 25, is it opening up or down? It's opening up. There's no negative out front right here in this spot. See right here? There's no negative, so that means it's going to open up. Okay? This -4 is on the outside, so what's that do?
tells us it's going up or down.
Okay?
Going down.
It's going to be down 4 from what number? Where do we always start these at?
0.
We always start them at 0, and it's going to go down 4. How much do we go left or right?
1.
None.
No?
So if there's nothing there, see how there's nothing here? Then we don't do anything. So that means my graph is going to start here, and it's going to open up. You guys already told me that, as a slope of 1. Okay, and so your graph should look like this. Okay, and I'm going to give you one more because I don't want to do the practice one. That way you guys have something to do. But so let's say I have x. Okay, so we're going to start at 0. What does this -2 do?
It tells you going down.
We're going to go down 2. What does this +4 do?
Over -4.
It's going to go over this way to -4, and you got to go from the 2. Okay, so that means we go over here. Okay, what does that minus do?
Goes down.
It means our graph opens downward. So this would be our start. And this is what your graph would look like. Okay, what if it said a -4 on the inside? What if it was like this?
Then you would go to the positive.
Then from here, I go to the +4. Okay? So I want you guys to do 26 by yourself, but I just wanted to give you a little bit more practice. That way you guys are going to have to do all of the even ones with an exception of 1. You should have one odd one left, okay? So you have 13 problems to do.